Hello design enthusiasts, welcome back to Interior Decor Designs, the place where we turn your living spaces into masterpieces. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow. Subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. Today, we are diving into one of the most transformative elements of modern architecture, the staircase. Specifically, we're looking at how stainless steel can turn a functional necessity into a breathtaking focal point. Whether you are building your dream home or looking to renovate, the right railing can completely redefine your space. Let's explore why stainless steel has become the gold standard for contemporary interiors. Stainless steel stairs. Railing design refers to the use of high chromium steel alloys to create the safety barriers and handrails that line a staircase. Unlike traditional wood or heavy wrought iron, this design style emphasizes functional minimalism. It is an architectural choice that focuses on clean lines, metallic finishes, and structural integrity. In the world of interior design, it represents a bridge between industrial strength and domestic elegance. These railings are often paired with other materials like glass, wood, or stone to create a layered, sophisticated look that feels both permanent and airy. The advantages of choosing stainless steel for your home are numerous, starting with its incredible durability and resistance to corrosion. Unlike wood, which can warp or rot over time, or iron, which may rust in humid environments, stainless steel remains pristine for decades with very little effort. It is also incredibly hygienic and easy to clean, requiring only a simple wipe down to maintain its luster. Beyond the practical, there is a significant aesthetic benefit. The reflective nature of the metal helps to bounce light around a room, making narrow hallways or stairwells feel much larger and more open. Furthermore, it is a sustainable choice, as stainless steel is 100% recyclable, making it an eco-friendly option for the conscious homeowner. Decorating around a stainless steel railing is all about balancing the cool tone of the metal with textures that add warmth and personality. One of the most effective ways to make your railing pop is through integrated LED lighting. Placing strip lights under the handrail or along the base of the balustrades creates a futuristic high-end hotel vibe. You can also soften the industrial feel by incorporating natural elements nearby, such as large indoor floor plants like a fiddle leaf fig or a monstera at the base of the stairs. If your railing features glass panels, keep them crystal clear to maximize the invisible look, or consider a frosted finish for added privacy and a touch of mystery. For a more cohesive look, match your railings finish whether brushed, polished, or matte with other hardware in your home, such as door handles or light fixtures, to create a seamless design narrative. When it comes to style, stainless steel is incredibly versatile and can be adapted to various architectural themes. The minimalist cable railing is a top choice for those who want an unobstructed view, using thin horizontal wires to create a sleek, nautical-inspired look. If you prefer something more substantial and luxurious, the glass and steel combo is hard to beat. It uses stainless steel posts to secure thick tempered glass panels, offering a clean and sophisticated aesthetic. For those who love an industrial or loft feel, perforated steel panels or bold, black powder-coated stainless steel can provide a rugged yet refined edge. Lastly, the spiral stainless steel design remains a classic for compact spaces, offering a graceful, curving silhouette that acts as a piece of sculptural art in the center of a room. Choosing the right staircase railing is more than just a safety decision. It's a design statement that defines the character of your home. Stainless steel offers the perfect blend of strength, beauty, and modern flair that few other materials can match. From the sleek lines of cable railings to the elegance of glass and steel, the possibilities are truly endless. We hope these ideas have sparked your creativity for your next home project. If you enjoyed this deep dive into stainless steel designs, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Interior Decor Designs for your weekly dose of home inspiration. Which of the 10 styles we mentioned today was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. We love hearing your thoughts. And if you're ready to start your renovation, check the description for more resources and links to our favorite design tools. See you in the next video.